Hey guys, Julie here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a sort of small, I guess you could say, Target haul, and it's mostly from the Bullseye section, that little dollar spot section, but I think there may be one or two items that are from just the regular part of Target. And I've been in there a couple of times lately because I'm trying to find the tiered trays that everyone's finding for $5, and my Target has not had them. So I don't know if my store is just behind or if it's not going to get them at all, but it's kind of sad because $5 tier trays are, and they're 3 different kinds. They're really cool. But I did find some other cute stuff, so I just thought I'd share it with you in case you wanted to know what is at Target. I picked up 2 of these tobacco baskets, a white round one and a square wooden one. Well, they're both wooden, but raw wood color, and they were both $3, which I think is a great price, and these would be really cute with like a little wreath in them or a little picture of some kind. So I haven't decided what I'm going to use these for yet. And I also picked up this sign. They did have another version of this sign, but I didn't grab it. It says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers, and meet me at the pumpkin patch." And this was $5 for 2 signs, which is a great deal. And they're super cute. They look like chalkboard signs, kind of. And I picked up this letterboard for $5. And these are what the letters look like. And this is a nice one. They had another one that it was thinner, and it was more like this color here. I didn't grab it. I don't know. This one felt for $5. This one felt sturdier to last longer, changing it in and out, that kind of thing. So I grabbed this one, the framed letterboard. They did have some foam blocks, which I'm going to be using for a future DIY. I wasn't actually there for this, but they were only $1, and they're pretty nice. Like, I think these will be easy to reuse. I don't think they're going to fall apart. So I picked up 3. I also picked up these 3 absolutely adorable pie signs. These were only $1, and they came with a little hanger, and they had pecan pie, pumpkin pie, and apple pie, and it basically has the ingredients and the directions on how to make it. And I thought that these would be super cute to make little gifts. They could be like neighbor gifts, teacher gifts, or like if you're going to someone's house and you want to bring a little gift. But I thought like a pre-baked pie crust with like the jars with all the ingredients in it would be really cool. Or maybe a cute little basket of apples for the apple pie. Like, you could be creative, but I just thought that this would be really cute for gifts. So I could not get these for $1. I knew I'd come up with something for them. They'd also be cute for a decoration in the kitchen. I also found this super cute home banner for $3. It has white wooden letters and this little greenery wreath for the O. So that's what it will look like. But for $3, this is such a cute banner, and this could be used not just in the fall, but all year. Actually, other than the sign, so far everything could be used all year. Okay, I also picked up, they had several of these. They had bats, they had pumpkins, they had apples, and they had even different widths. But these are little wood pumpkin ornaments. And honestly, I have no idea what I'm going to use them for. I think they would be cute as a banner. They would be cute if you painted a sign on them. They would be cute by themselves, just sitting in a vignette somewhere. I haven't exactly decided what I'm going to do with them. I might not even use them this year. It might be something I save for next year. But they were so cute for $1. They're pretty nice, and they're really thick and sturdy. Oh, I left the other one downstairs. I picked up 2 of these. I only have 1 to show you, but I was playing with it. When I saw these, it says locally grown apples and pumpkins. They also had one that said something else. I can't remember what it was. But they're just burlap bags, and they were $5 a piece. So these would be cute if you stuff them with something and put them near a fireplace or something, or on the front porch with pumpkins sticking out of them. Another idea I thought of was to cut it out and frame it in a frame, because this would be really cute for a fall picture frame. And then I came up with another idea. I made some black and white check pillow covers, and they're pretty big pillows, and this, I laid it on it and it looked so cute. So I might cut this out and iron transfer it on, not iron transfer it, use the like non-sewing iron sewing thing. I don't know what it's called, but you iron it on and it sticks. That's all I know, instead of sewing it on. But I thought that would be really cute for $5, and I think I paid like $1 for the covers because they were just table mats or placemats that I reused. I picked this up actually for my daughter. It's a hat loom knitting kit, and then you could also pick up the hat yarn kit, so the yarn with the little bobber thing, what's that called, pom-pom. This was $3 and this was $3. My daughter likes to make things for other people, so I thought this would be really cute as a gift if she wanted to make it, or just to play around with and try it out. So I picked that up. They had adorable fall socks for $1. These are fuzzy socks, super soft. These are the 3 I picked up, but they had several different patterns, and they were super cute. For $1, I couldn't believe it. So I picked 3 of those up. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I'm thinking about gifting one of them and keeping the other 2. And then this was another awesome find. This was $7, so it was the highest end that you can buy for the bullseye section, but it's a lady's herringbone cape. So I'm going to show you the picture of it there. So you put your arms in here. It's like a big oversized scarf that you kind of wear. And they had a few different patterns. I picked this one. It's basically like a hunter green and a gray. But they had blues, they had oranges. This is really cool for $7. It doesn't feel too thin and flimsy, but it's not like something too warm either. So I'm excited about that for $7. That was a good find. And then some non-bullseye stuff. They had a whole section of a whole bunch of bowls, plates, and cups of this, what's it made out of? Let's see. It doesn't say. It's a room essential, BPA free, so like microwaving it is totally fine. My kids destroy my bowls because I don't buy plastic. I buy the ceramic bowls, which is not a good idea. But I picked up 4 of these teal ones for the kids to use for their cereal, so they're not ruining my bowls anymore. And then the last thing I picked up is the Tazo Chai Vanilla Caramel Tea. This is my favorite fall tea. If you saw my fall favorites video from last year, this was one of the teas I mentioned. But I picked this up because I needed more of it. I ran out. And that is all I got from Target. If you guys enjoy hauls, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.